One word substitution is also known as single word for group of words. It means when we use a single word for group of words is called one word substitution. So in our today's video, we are going to know about 10 one word substitutions. So dear students, be ready and know about 10 one word substitutions. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel Primary K Pankh with Tarkeshwar Pandey. I welcome you all in your favorite YouTube channel. Dear students, I hope you all are happy, healthy, fit and fine. So be ready and now know about these one word substitutions. Number one who knows everything. One who knows everything is called omniscient. One who knows everything is called omniscient. Number two, one who is present everywhere. One who is present everywhere is called omnipresent. One who is present everywhere is called omnipresent. Number three, one who has power over everything. One who has power over everything is called Almighty. One who has power over everything is called Almighty. Number four, one who walks. One who walks is called pedestrian. One who walks is called pedestrian. Number five, animals feeding on flesh. Animals feeding on flesh is called carnivorous. Animals feeding on flesh is called carnivorous. Number six, animals feeding on plants. Animals feeding on plants is called herbivorous. Animals feeding on plants is called herbivorous. Number seven, all of one mind. All of one mind is called unanimous. All of one mind is called unanimous. Number eight, a substance that kills germs. A substance that kills germs is called germicide. A substance that kills germs is called germicide. Number nine, a substance that kills pests. A substance that kills pests is called pesticide. A substance that kills pests is called pesticide. Number 10, a substance that kills insects. A substance that kills insects is called insecticide. A substance that kills insects is called insecticide. These are 10 one-word substitutions and we have known about these all one-word substitutions. Dear students, revise these all 10 words and try to do practice for these all 10 one-word substitutions. I hope you have understood these all 10 words. We will meet again in our next video with a new topic. So for that time, I want to wish you all have a nice day. Goodbye.